Choosing the right inverter for your home solar system is crucial, and it's not just about picking the first one you see. The inverter is the heart of your solar setup, converting the direct current, DC, generated by your solar panels into alternating current, AC, which is what your home appliances use. So, let's dive into what you need to know. First, understanding your energy needs is essential. Take a close look at your electricity consumption. Review your utility bills to determine your average monthly usage in kilowatt hours. This will help you figure out the size of the inverter you need. If you have a larger household or run energy-intensive appliances, you'll need a more powerful inverter. Next, let's talk about the types of inverters available. There are three main types: string inverters, microinverters, and power optimizers. String inverters are the most common and are typically the most cost-effective. They work well for roofs with minimal shading. Microinverters, on the other hand, are installed on each panel, allowing for better performance in shaded conditions and maximizing energy production. Power optimizers are a hybrid solution, enhancing the performance of string inverters by optimizing the output of each panel. When selecting an inverter, consider its features. Look for inverters with built-in monitoring capability. This allows you to track your system's performance in real time, giving you insights into energy production and potential issues. Additionally, check the inverter's efficiency rating. Higher efficiency means more of the solar energy is converted into usable electricity, which can lead to greater savings on your energy bill. Now, let's match the inverter to your solar system. The inverter should be compatible with your solar panel system's voltage and capacity. If you're planning to expand your system in the future, consider an inverter that can handle additional panels. This foresight can save you from needing to replace your inverter down the line. Budget is always a consideration. While it might be tempting to go for the cheapest option, remember that you often get what you pay for. A higher quality inverter may have a higher upfront cost, but can save you money in the long run through better efficiency and reliability. Look for warranties that cover at least 5 to 10 years, as this can give you peace of mind about your investment. Reliability is another key factor. Research brands and read reviews. Some manufacturers have a long-standing reputation for producing durable and efficient inverters. It's worth investing time in this research to avoid potential headaches later. Finally, think about your long-term goals. Are you planning to add battery storage in the future? If so, consider an inverter that is compatible with battery systems. This can provide you with energy independence and backup power during outages. In summary, choosing the right inverter involves understanding your energy needs, knowing the types of inverters available, matching the inverter to your solar system, and considering your budget, reliability, and long-term goals. Take your time, do your research, and you'll find the perfect inverter to power your home sustainably.